Now we will find out the value of the drag and lift coefficients. So first of all, define a new coordinate frame, and it's the same as we defined in the CFX pre. Click on the new coordinate frame system and set the origin at the 0, 0, 0, which is leading edge of the aerofoil, and z axis point is the 0, 0, 1, and the xc point is the point where we have the angle of attack of the 10 degrees, which is equal to 10 of the cos, 10 of sine, and 0. Then value of the y coordinate, just copy from the CFX pre and apply. You can also change the size of these 3 arrows. So let me make it 0.1, 10 times, 1 by 10th. Also you can hide the symmetry plane or the aerofoil. So you can observe that these arrows are placed at the leading edge of your aerofoil. Maybe you can try with the 0.01 or the 1%. So exactly at the leading edge of the aerofoil. So after defining the coordinate frame, now we can modify the expressions for the lift and the drag coefficients. You can copy the name and put in the expression. So we are able to successfully define the new expression, the same expression for drag coefficient but with the coordinate frame number 1. Now I will go to tables and right click in the cell A1 on the top. I will choose the expression which is the drag coefficient, and then click on the enter. You can modify the formatting of the value of the numbers we get in the table. You can change the color also. You can make it fixed and the number of precision maybe 2, 3 or 4. So drag coefficient value is the 0.0220. So you can compare with the value we get in the previous case, which is 0.0203. Now it depends on how much iteration you have run for this case, which is shown in the slides, and the case we have run in the current case of the CFX. And similarly, you can also define the lift coefficient. So we need to modify the expression for the lift coefficient. So replace the angle of attack 10 by the coordinate frame 1. Here I will define in the cell number A2 the expression which is the lift coefficient, and click on the enter. Again you can modify the formatting of the lift coefficient as well, and its value is a 1.0248.